It has been proven that any friendship that exceeds the 7-year mark is more likely to last an entire lifetime. When cleaning your room, start with making your bed. It will make everything around it look out of place and motivate you to clean. A study has shown 92% of people type things into Google to see if they spell them correctly. At a restaurant, wash your hands after ordering since the menu there is generally the dirtiest thing you can ever touch. Dysania is the state of finding it too hard to get off the bed in the morning. According to psychology, an individual under stress will feel more sleepy and hungry than an average person. We forget the mistakes made intentionally, while mistakes that are made inadvertently bothers us. Study shows the mathematical mind of a boy is much faster than a girl. Psychology says it's hard to look into the eyes of the one we love. According to psychology, those who talk less and talk only on the issue are adept at hiding secrets. According to psychology, understanding yourself is much more difficult than understanding someone else. Psychology says some people automatically second-guess themselves when other people disagree with them. A study has shown social media is psychologically designed to be addictive. Studies have shown that consuming food without preservatives will increase IQ by up to 14%. Phobias may be memories which are passed down through many ancestors by means of our DNA, according to new studies. Narcissistic personality disorder exists in around 6% of the population, according to a research. The fastest supercomputer in the world takes 24 million watts of power to run, but at the same time, our brain only needs 20 watts to operate things over 1 lakh times faster. Babies also start to process language just like grown-ups after a couple of days of being born. Falling in love at first sight is apparently true according to psychologists. People generally prefer an attractive face over an attractive body when they are looking for a long-term relationship. We're only capable of being close with about 150 people in our life. A study has shown some people really enjoy seeing anger in others since it gives them a sense of satisfaction and entertainment at the same time. Catching a yawn could help two individuals to bond with each other, a study has found. When in a public place, if someone keeps looking at you so much that it becomes frustrating, just look at their shoes for a long time. This will make them feel so uncomfortable, they'll probably back off. If you have trouble controlling your emotions, then just brush your teeth with the wrong hand. It will force your brain to work differently, while the self-control of yours will improve immediately. Being sarcastic on a regular basis can add up to 3 years to your life. It has been proven that sarcasm is extremely healthy for the mind. Your personality has its own smell. You can guess characteristics of personality just by your smell, because the body emits hormones that we can detect in sweat. The human body recreates itself every 6 months. Nearly every cell of hair, skin, and bones dies, and another is directed to its former place. You're not who you were last January. Psychology says colors like red, orange, and yellow will more likely to make you hungry. The smarter you are, the more difficult it is to find someone worth being in a relationship with.